Okay, previously we talked about the volume of prisms. Now we'll talk about the volume of pyramids. And we'll need to take into account that for the most part at 7th grade math level, you're only looking at two types of triangular pyramids. You're looking at triangular pyramids, where you have a triangular base, and rectangular pyramids, where you have a rectangular base. If you have a triangular base, then you can only have three faces going up to the pinnacle of your pyramid. If you have a rectangular base, then you're going to have four faces all coming up, or four triangles all coming up to that pinnacle. Only thing that's really stand out, that's most common there, is that height is going to be the same. You know, from the bottom straight down to the center of that base. Center straight down the center of that base. Let's talk about our next slide here. All right, now when we're trying to figure out volume, it's pretty much 1/3 big B, which is the area of that base, times the height, 1/3. And this is, no matter what type of triangle you have, this is what you got. So, base is the area of that base. And the faces of the pyramid are called lateral faces. So if we look at here, go back here, here's one here. So this face, this face, this face be lateral faces. This has 4 lateral faces, this has 3 lateral faces. Now let's go back here. We got our equation. And let's talk an example. So we're looking at this one with a rectangular pyramid. And we see that we have a base here, which is rectangular. We're going to find that area, which would be 3 2/10 times 1 and 4/10, which is what's happening right here. Then we have a height of 2 8/10 inches. So we multiply this out, divided by 3, and you have about 4 2/10. But it's not just 4 2/10, 4 2/10 cubic inches, because it's all inches. Inches times inches times inches. So the next one. Here we have a triangular pyramid. Notice how we have our formula, 1/2 the base times the height, or little b times the height for this one right here. So here's our base, here's our height, and we go 1/2 of that, and that gives us our base. And then we multiply this times our height of 11. And then we divide that by 1/3, and get our answer. 95 and 4/400, or 95 cubic meters. And one last example. Again, we have a rectangular pyramid. So 5 times 9 is 45. And, this one right here, sometimes you want to figure out what the height is. And so we know what we're given. They told us right here that the volume is 90 cubic centimeters. So plug in what we know. We know the formula is volume equals 1/3 big B for base times height. We get the 9, we get the 5. 1/3 of 45 is 15H. So 90 equals 15H. We use our knowledge of solving one-step equations here by dividing both sides by 15, and we realize that 6 equals H. And so if this is inches, then the height is 6 inches. All right, so we'll see how you do on this one. All right, that should be the last slide, and talk to you later.